What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we are back in Dallas, Texas for Cars and Cantina. We got the Supra posted up in display this time over here, and we're gonna do the usual, watch the cars roll in, hopefully some cool stuff shows up, and then we got the sends at the end. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy the video. Our first arrival of the day, got the Gallardo and my boy in the Mustang, Mr. Pegasus. This is going to be a good one, guys. The sun is coming out, the fog is burning off. It's going to be a good day. Got the Evo and the GTR. Very nice. It's the Dallas version of Jake and Nikki, but those are both Nikki's cars. Lamborghini's inbound. I got the GT2. Oh, that sounded good. Man, that color, I think it's like voodoo blue, Miami blue. Someone correct me, but damn! Jordan, get off your phone, it's causing coffee. Mike, that could have been you at the show. We were too busy guarding copper. The Viper and the wide body furs with the same tail lights as I had. Oh, I miss mine. I've never seen that before. A G37 on some slicks and skinnies, and he got the tall man on him. He's strapped. Here's one of our favorite guys we love to see, the Pink Floyd man, but this time he's listening to Drake. My man, way too sexy. Oh my God, this is the most beautiful SVJ I've ever seen. Holy moly. I think that's like blue Glauco. I got little aero bits on the GTR and GT350R. Chop, 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 chop. There's another TRX for our celebrity.
TRX, bro.
Now that is a wild wrap on the Huracan. I think we saw that guy in Las Vegas. Yes, I ordered 2 McNuggets. It's El Cub.
Oh yeah.
Oh baby.
Coming to the channel soon. Coming to the channel soon.
I want. Someone buy the Supra.
Coming to the channel soon.
Ah. And the GT500 and a C8.
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this C8, dude.
Damn, mama driven.
Lady driven.
We got the Ford versus Ferrari going on here. Got the F8 lipstick plate. Then we got the new Ford GT. And then we got like the 288 GTO race car thing. But I'm still not exactly sure how to identify this. Is it super expensive? I don't know. Oh, my man got the half and half ready for Christmas. I like it. We should do a video wrapping the Supra for Christmas. 100% we should. The feds, yeah! And another TRX. My man Jack pulling up in his new C6. Looking good, my man, looking good. The Vert E30. And the long line of boys rolling in. Beautiful speck on the pista. Gray and blue. Ooh. The pista is such a good looking car. Ooh. Hotlanta. A C5 Z06. So we got the small car crew, got the Cappuccino and the Honda Beat, and I don't even know what that is. It says Mira on the front though. Look how small they are. My shoe's almost as big as them. I love it. Sniped. That's my color R8, and then that Z's on some like drag pack. That's nice. Got the new Roma, looking sleek. I like the Roma, I like it a lot. Very nice. It's a wide body Mark IV Supra. He should park right next to me.
Good to see you made it.
Looking good, yes sir. That thing is crazy. Ooh, nice red 720. Right hand drive, wide body Mark IV, baby.
Doesn't get much better than that.
We had all the supercar boys. 720 Ford GT. Look at me. A C4 vet. C4 ZR1. What? They have that? GT350 with some sort of power boosting mods. A Supra. I like those wheels. BC Forge wheels. Spooling. I like it. The Terminator. Woo. Very nice. And then our favorite, the Midnight Purple Mercy with the SV kit. Let's go. That thing is so sick, man. Oh my god. C8R edition. What? Very nice. Oh, this is a new GT3. I didn't even realize it. That's the first one of those I've seen. I like the wing. I like it a lot. And he already got his custom plate. This man planning ahead. Yes. RS7 with a see-through hood. Let me get a peek of that old engine bay right there. Peek. And the Mark IV Supra. It looks like something's missing, but it still looks good. Still tipping them. Where are the fofos?
You got the Hellcat badge on the TRX.
Oh man, we're in. This is the truck I would get if we had the money to buy a truck. Man, TRX, no joke. Got the 675 LT versus the Police. Oh man, this car, very nice. Whew. Got the chick-driven Huracan, and they got the puppy inside. Hi, puppy. We got the Aventador. Oh, this is the dream, boys. They say shoot for the moon. We're aiming for the stars, boys. Oh, another wide body Supra. That's the HKS Supra. Come back. We love you. Oh my Lord. The Ferrari on the 4Gs. Heck yeah. From Illinois.
Oh, that's a C6
C6ZR1. Yes, sir.
Lady-driven Huracan.
We had another lady-driven Huracan, and we got a green Ferrari 458. Is this the twin turbo one? It is. It's the twin turbo 458. That is freaking nuts. Twin turbo 458. And we got the laptop Civic. Hide your kids, hide your wives. GT2 RS. My man in the passenger seat looks unimpressed. Oh yeah, that's nice. Ooh, got the GT500. Pro charged 5.0. What are those tail lights? I've never seen that before. That's funky. My man's windows are about to leave the chat. He's bass boosted. And then we got another Infiniti ready for Christmas. Oh, car died. Lola. Oh baby, oh yeah, the Pandem V3 FRS. Man, he is cambered out. We rolled in with these guys whenever I brought the FRS up here. Man, I miss it. Oh no, here comes a biker gang. There they go. It's the Tour de Dallas. Alright y'all, now is the part of the show where we walk around and check out just what has showed up. Maybe we missed a few things, maybe some people were rolling late, but we'll get a good look at some of the coolest builds here today. We'll pick out Jordan's favorite. Got a couple late arrivals, got like a full carbon kitted 720S. Oh my goodness. Looking like a marble countertop out here. And then an Aventador. Ooh. We will achieve our goals, my friends. We will achieve them. So this is probably my favorite car here today. Never seen this one before, but looking at it, the boy has an A&M parking sticker. That is crazy. This boy go to school with me? I gotta know. If I see this thing driving around College Station, I'm gonna flip out. It's got the Rift exhaust. Man, I cannot wait to see this thing leave. I hope he sends it. Then we got the Lipstick F8 Tributo Aroma, which for how new they are, you don't see a lot of them, but I think they're pretty cool. Daily driver supercar, and I think it looks way better than the Cali, so winner winner chicken dinner. Here's a cool one. I'm not sure guys, I'm not good with my engines. Is it like an RB26? Is that a 2J? Let me know in the comment section, but this is an S chassis. I want to say S14. I'm learning that as well, so if you know, let me know in the comment section below. We got Jordan, got our monster, and we're just waiting for these sends to happen, man. Got a CTSV wagon. I would own this in a heartbeat. Got the Imposter. Woo, CTSV on the welds. Nice. Up to no good. It's a fake taxi. You never know what's inside. Oh my God, Mr. GG's here. We got the Koenigsegg Regera. Dang, boy. Mr. Gage is driving. That is so sick. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome.
Straight.
There's our legend, the hero Richard. Get him backed in.
Straight in.
Check that out. Let's see them doors. Bonk. That's so sick. Shoosh. Drew, get one of these. We'll save some change and look good at the same time. Look at it blowing the leaves. It's a leaf blower. The Supra seems to be doing pretty well up here at the booth. Got a nice turnout. Lots of people taking pictures. Make sure to tag me and I'll repost your stories. I appreciate y'all very, very much. When I thought one hypercar was enough, we got two more.
Guys, he's backing in over there. Everybody split with the car. Make room, please.
Mr. Tim and Busta in the Wire of BC. And then we got the LaFerrari. Dang.
Guys, move back. I gotta put him in front of the Porsche. Everybody move back. Back onto the curb. Everybody back on the curb, please. I got no room.
Yeah, good luck trying to get this fucking thing with that, you know.
You good, Tim? Keep going. Keep going.
Is that Nav driving the LaFerrari? Metro Boomin say he got me. It went into golf cart mode.
Okay, we're getting on the other side. That's the behind the Porsche. It's behind the Porsche. Got it. Okay, so you got
There we are. And then we got the dude who made Texas 2K. I guess got his STO. That is so sick.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
All the big men rolled in at the same time. Cars and Coffee has been shut down. I think this is a Gunther Works Porsche. Not 100% sure, but if that is like $1 million car right there. That's insane. What up, my man?
What up, what?
How are you?
Good, how are you? Good.
All right, y'all, it is that time of the show. It is send o'clock, baby. We got the cops posted out here. They're 4 deep and dirty with the lights on, so who knows, anything could happen at any moment, so stay tuned and stay glued to that screen, baby, because it's send time. weather has begun to turn against us. It is raining, so pray for me. We're about to see some crazy stuff. There's your crazy stuff right there. Jordan is crazy. That one was for you, Will.
Hello.
We are in the danger zone. We are in the danger zone for real. Oh my God. How is that able to be driven on the street? They're on the move.
Uh-oh. Get up.
Yes, this is a better thumbnail. Even better.
Slide right in.
America. He took one for the team. It had to be a Mustang. Had to be a Mustang. No, send it! My boy paid for that Rift exhaust. He's going to use it. I like it. Twin turbo 458. All those flowers are +5 horsepower. What is that? A Mitsubishi Eclipse. Old. man's got precious cargo. Here comes the Ferrari. Holy, that must be a new one. No. Goodbye, Ofcourse. Big homie's back to impede traffic. And his buddy, they will kiss. We miss you, Cyborg Cop. I saw you got married on TikTok. Congratulations, my man. We miss you. Truck people, am I right? They're like playing with fire up here. They're taunting this man. Just downshifts and sends it in front of the cop. I love it. Why does he gotta go the other way? I cry. Here comes my future garage. R8 and a Bronco. That'd be sick. It's the HKS Supra. Man, I wish we could have seen him. That's nice. We got the undercovers. This is it, boys. My man's got the dually 4Gs. Nice. Alright, you guys, that was Cars and Cantina December 2021, baby. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. We didn't get to see all the cars head out, like this little one right here. This is a gem. They literally just cut the top off a Porsche, it appears. Got the disconnect steering wheel. But that is pretty freaking cool. We're about to head out. Got a long drive back to Houston. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.